Hello, I am Suhasini. Welcome back to my channel She Needs. Hope everyone is doing super good. I am here with a super delicious diet friendly recipe today, which is baked paneer stuffed capsicum. This is very crunchy, healthier and super tasty dish. To know how you have to prepare this, please watch full video. Before knowing the process, please subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment. Take few red, yellow and green bell peppers or capsicums. Wash them, cut them into half and then de-seed them. To prepare this, you need paneer grated, cheese also grated, and finely chopped spring onions, ginger, green chilies, fresh coriander leaves and curry leaves. You can finely chop them or even grate them as I am showing. Once everything is ready, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds, little hing and the grated paneer, chopped spring onions, ginger, green chilies and curry leaves along with coriander leaves. Mix everything together. If you want, you can add jeera powder, pepper powder, garam masala to this mixture. Next, grate the cheese also and then fill in the capsicums with the prepared stuffing. Add cheese over top of it and let it bake for 10 to 15 minutes on high heat. Here it is done. Our dish is ready now. So you can sprinkle with spring onions and freshly chopped coriander leaves and eat it hot. Hope you like my video. Definitely try it and let me know how it is in the comment section. Thanks for watching.